Hey guys, welcome back. It's Nadine. Today's video, I am starting my vision board for 2019. I did my first vision board actually in September of last year when I was just going through YouTube videos, and this one person I follow, she did a vision board and she was saying how things came to pass. So I decided, let me make one, and I'll put a picture over here of what my current vision board looks like. But since it's a new year, I decided I'm going to start a new one. So the first thing you should do is get a piece of paper and a pen and write down what you want to accomplish in 2019. It can be outlandish, honestly. I mean, if you're gonna, if you work hard towards it and believe that'll happen, it can happen. Whether it be get in shape, start a business, start a blog, start a YouTube channel, get a house, get a new car. It could be simple as, like for me, one of mine is to take better care of myself, not just physically, but mentally and spiritually. Physically, I don't take care of myself the way I should be. I'm learning to eat better. It's a process. Exercising, which is like, I'm not a gym person. I hate the gym, and I'd rather go for a walk, play a sport, something to that effect. But what I mean take care of me physically and mentally and spiritually is that I put my kids and my husband first. I always put myself on the back burner. Like, I don't know, I get my eyebrows done almost every 6 weeks. I haven't got my eyebrows done in probably 3 months. And see, look, all, like one of my goals is probably, which I would like to do, but I don't know if I want to do this, is learn how to do my own eyebrows. I mean, it could be as simple as that. I was thinking about learning how to put on eyelashes, just to make my eyes look brighter, take better care of my hair. But so that's one thing I want to put on my vision board, is to take better care of me, take care better of my hair, just my overall features, Another thing I want to do is to increase my YouTube channel, to get more subscribers, put out more content, be more consistent, because I'm trying to do a video once a week, something that's doable. I can't say, oh, I'm going to put out 5 videos every week. That's not doable for me. I try to make bite-sized pieces so it will be easier and more attainable to do. So that's another thing I put on my vision board. One of the main things that I will put on my vision board that's for me personally is my spiritual growth. I don't pray, I don't read my Bible daily, and that's something that I want to get back on doing. I used to do it, but with kids and life in general, so sometimes I remember someone telling me sometimes all it takes is waking up about 30 minutes earlier to do these things. So that's one of my main goals for 2019, is to spend more time with God. If you don't know, I am a Christian, and that's very important to me, that I spend time with God and just learning and reading His Word, the Bible, and to make it sure that I can pertain it to my life. So some other goals I have for 2019. You know what? Let's just do the vision board. See, I'll show you the steps I take to do it, and then we'll jump in and I'll show you the finished product. Stay tuned. Okay, now that I wrote down all my goals for 2019, I head over to Pinterest and I just start looking for different things like natural hair, organization, and what I do is I just cut and paste all the pictures I want in a Word document. I also go to Google and I type in what I want there, and I just use their images. You can find all kinds of stuff at Google, quotes and all kinds of things like that. So once I'm done, I'm ready to print and ready to cut. Okay, so since I don't own any magazines, I have one magazine and I really don't want to cut it up. What I did was I just got images off of Google and Pinterest, and I just printed them all out. And what I'm about to do now is to cut everything out. I think I have like 21 pages. Cut everything out. I even photoshopped some stuff, and then I will get onto my poster board. Done, and I just want to show you the finished product. I didn't want to show you guys me gluing everything down and arranging everything. Ooh, excuse me, because that can get it can make the video very long and boring. So I decided to just do it, put it together, and let you see it. So let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna see if I can bring this up closer. Let's see if I can bring this up a little. Okay, so I'm gonna just talk about it and then I'll just pan down. My word for this year is tenacity, and so I decided to. I cut this out on my Cricut, and I put 2019. And let me see if I can bring it closer. And I saw this picture of this girl. I think it was so cute, so I just cut her out and put her up there. But let me take the camera down so it'll be easier for me to show you everything. So give me 1 second. Whoops, sorry guys. Okay. Move this over a little. Okay. Okay, so up here you see it says 2019 tenacity. And over here, this is mostly about feelings. So I saw this and I really like it. It says happiness, and it says like euphoria, positive outlook, bliss. And so I really like that. I really like this because I'm always the happy one, and I try to have a positive attitude about everything, everybody. So this is really nice. This one I found, I manifest abundance by being grateful for what I already have. I saw this picture and I really liked it. There's no meaning, nothing behind it. I just liked it, so I put it on my board. This says money comes to me easily and effortlessly. And over here on this side, the center, well, actually it's more over here. Sorry guys, I'm doing the best that I can. Okay, so over here it's more of like health and taking care of myself, because I always tend to put myself last and take care of my husband, my children. So basically I'm a great cook. I said that I want to keep up doing my eyebrows, maybe put on eyelashes, work out more. It says you are stronger than you think. Love yourself enough to live a healthy lifestyle. I also said I'll do a better job of my nails. As you can see, they need to be loved. Yeah. Down here is a picture of a smaller me. I need to lose weight, but I don't need to be super, super skinny. That's just my preference. I don't want to be a size 8. So this is my goal, to get down to a healthy weight. And over here, this just says eat right. So it's just, just encouraging to eat my fruits and vegetables. Over here is Fortune Builders, the company I work with, where it's teaching me how to flip houses and to do wholesale. And so that's why you see money and houses made out of money. And over here it says, I refuse to be anything but successful. Down here is the center, and in the center I always put what's most important to me. And for me, that's my family. So this is the center picture. Over here it says, I need to be better, do well, be happier, be loved, get richer. But what I really need is Jesus. So, if we come over here, these are 3 people I like to meet. Oprah Winfrey, she's pretty much self-explanatory. You know why. Sean Connery, I love James Bond movies. I think he was the best James Bond. And I always wanted to meet him, so he's one. And Queen Latifah, I loved her since Living Single. And I love the fact that she is such a great actress and does well, and the fact that she didn't conform to the way Hollywood wants her to be, probably really super small, and but she's plus size, and I just love her. So these are 3 people I would love to meet this year. Down here, my kids have never been to Disney World, and so I'm going to try my best to save up to take them to Disney World this year. Even if it means Christmas this year, I'm going to try my best and maybe take them on another beach vacation. I love my families, but visiting families is not a vacation to me. To me, a vacation is going somewhere you've never been, staying in a hotel, things like that. So we're going to work on that. Over here it just says grateful, thankful, and blessed. Up here, let me back this up a little. This is the plaque you get when you reach 100,000 subscribers. So this is my goal, is to try to get to 100,000 subscribers. And this is just a random number my husband chose, and I just stuck it on there. And as you can see, I put my name on it. So do whatever it takes for you to get, to see the dream. Over here is to keep calm and stay organized. I'm organized a little bit, but I like to be better. And over here it says gratitude, and down here is my dream house. I love this house. This house is in my town. It's over $1 million. But anything's possible, right? I have to believe it. And this is my ideal craft room. I do a lot of crafting, and I would love to have a craft room. But I love this. Hold the vision, trust the process. So, and over here, it's a camera I want to get. I believe it's a Canon EOS Rebel T6. So, that, sorry guys. That is my vision board for 2019. Oh gosh, I'm saying 2015. Sorry, the camera. Come on, focus, focus. Oh well. It's not focusing, but you can see me, right? There we go. There we go. My kids got home from school, so I had to stop and come back on. But say hi, guys.
Hi.
Well, 2 of the 4 kids.
Really?
Really?
Wait, didn't they come home?
Nope, they're at the library. Oh. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button so I can get up to over 100,000 subscribers, hopefully by the end of the year. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And guys, until we meet again,
have a very blessed day.
Thank you. Bye, guys, and Happy New Year.